In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up downloads on Steam. We know waiting for games to download can feel like an eternity, so let's streamline that process. Follow along as we walk through a few simple adjustments to get those download speeds up. First up, let's start by opening your Steam application. If it's not already open, find it on your desktop or in your applications folder and double click to launch. Once you've got Steam open, the next step is to click on the login button. You'll find this option at the top right corner if you aren't already logged in. Once you've clicked on it, a screen will pop up prompting you to enter your account details. Carefully type in your account name and password. It's important to double check these credentials to avoid any delays logging in. After entering your login information, click on the sign in button. This will take you straight to your Steam homepage where you'll see all of your games and downloads. Now that you're in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the window. You'll see the Steam menu. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop down menu. From this menu, click on Settings, which is where we'll make some pivotal adjustments. Once you're in the Settings menu, locate the Downloads option on the left hand side. This section allows you to optimize your download settings. It's important to remember these tweaks as you'll often revisit this area for fine tuning. The first adjustment we're going to make is disabling the download speed limit. Steam sometimes limits download speeds to balance bandwidth, but we want it to go full throttle. Simply uncheck that option that limits your download speed. This should give your downloads the freedom to use your internet connection's maximum potential. Next, we want to disable downloads during gameplay. While it might be tempting to squeeze in some game time while another game downloads, this can significantly throttle your download speed. Head over to the same downloads section and make sure allow downloads during gameplay is unchecked to ensure your bandwidth is dedicated to downloading. Another useful step is to clear your download cache. This can clear up any potential blocks or slowdowns caused by corrupted or unnecessary files. You'll find the option to clear your download cache in the same settings area. Confirm any prompts that pop up to ensure it's completed. Lastly, make sure that VPNs or other applications that consume a lot of bandwidth are disabled or turned off when downloading games. Sometimes hidden processes can use a lot of data, unknowingly slowing down your Steam downloads. By taking these steps, you should notice an improvement in your Steam download speeds. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading.